How to stop WhatsApp from automatically downloading and saving photos and videos on your iPhone. There are two settings you need to change, so let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your iPhone. Tap Settings in the bottom right corner. Now scroll down and tap Storage and Data. Under the Media Auto Download section, you'll see options for different types of media. Tap Photos, select Never, and then go back. Next, tap Videos and select Never as well. This will stop photos and videos from being automatically downloaded when you receive them on WhatsApp. Now, let's change the second setting. Go back to the main WhatsApp settings page and tap Chats. Here, look for Save to Photos. Turn off the Save to Photos option. This prevents media that you receive on WhatsApp from being automatically saved to your iPhone's Photos app. Keep in mind that you can still manually download a photo or video whenever you want by tapping on it in the WhatsApp chat. And that's it. You've now stopped WhatsApp from automatically downloading and saving photos and videos on your iPhone. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.